Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Buffers near pH 3 come from a weak acid and its conjugate base, so watch this quick check and lock in the best mixture. A buffer works best when a weak acid is mixed with some conjugate base, and its pH sits closest to that acid's pKa. So first identify mixtures that actually become buffers. In each choice, NaOH neutralizes part of the weak acid, so compare moles and see whether both acid and conjugate base remain afterward, because that is the buffer requirement. Comparing the table pKa values, the nitrous acid system lands closest to pH 3, so the mixture in option B is the best match. Well done, option B. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given data and check steps, because buffer questions reward careful mole tracking.